Mame ma akwaba emfa umbra Ghanaians TV GH so wo frɛ me adwowa searching.
Me never me that I work on your money. Me me hwɛ CD $2 rate na fine ɛyɛ sɛ nka aba ne saa but me dey you reflection bi a economy no. Me never me no me gyina this year. Me friend is adetoni me gyina me somebody. Fitia no pa sɛ me gyina no pa bɛpem time we. So obi kura be say how much kura me hu. Chese ye nhuru hwe nneema nkoyi system no de no kra enye kra enti no so mba bibia fa ho menye na sa CD $2 rate na ze ebinom de je wo ho mena se ama dollar ba fon CD aba form na dollar ba form na CD no nya grounds no ye no me de ye ne wo ye informal workers no de ye hunu hwe bibia nkoso.
The overstress report now about house na say when you get on grounds the prices are reduced over just some boa.
Me no ba anema me ton de me ko fa no Ay3kaKantamanto price na me fa no asat last year no na dollar no was even higher no the same price na me fa no in and then na yes dollar na higher than aba form no na cedi na rising the same price na me fa no ntimi de me hu any indication any good indication bia me hu bia.
Okay, so nyame aduma na oche eba no Minister of Finance eba be ready budget for next year. And go for a can say omoba munyina no they've not brought out a new tax. I be someone introducing new taxes. So people are saying that they should introduce new tax because from next year kono yen koji loan e wo IMF obi o sha no say
some of the citizens encourage your finance minister and I say government and say my encourage
financiers omo nim de e wo eba no sikasem a omo kan say next year kono yen ko IMF obi na che say yan kasa na ye be pay sika na ye ne wo se yenye. So they are telling the finance minister senke beya you should introduce more taxes, but Ghanaians are also saying say new taxes now wanting ka dada na wo hon omo hwe no munye hu sakra e bi wo hwa ene omo ya adwena na say taxes no
me that introduction of new taxes and there fine say eno ebeboa ama economy no ayeye dia ene na ka me hu say enka previous government no there were some taxes be introduced here and the current government no attack the then government say I say they were all nuisance and whatever it no mean far back don some introduce any new tax bia because what they know about say no promise are the man yen during election year no went man fulfill it you know there and even as we speak Ghana about you call IMF you introduce new taxes Kurana still enkoyi yanko said he is managing your man enkoyi that this penifo no fanani and from pana or there are some measures they are very critical also no munya because say me hu dey make calculate bi me das
where the detail but next budget na eba na dey na wo susu say enka ho na dey na wo susu say enko munyin film
budget for next year no
it's going to be about development and everything concerning the economy
me dey minimum no dey me sure say most Ghanaians and you know budget you read since Kwame Nkrumah time no the same budget now no be ready there will be nothing new and I mean if there will be anything new me who say be different government your baba can be some or come one year keke practicalize it or beka theory and or be read actual no actually but they will not put it into practice
enipa ewu enipa mo japade ahye enipa mo niam ahye wo Ghana ha wodwi ho kura wonte ase amamu ayese pinso padlock nkoa woton ade ayento ena ansa se onipa beboabo sika no wanya sika ye investment bi no na nipa no sofa no enye easy oba power o haw na mani hunu na apenese ne kwadanda ena nipa fom e wo Ghana ha enye ejahyehe a na yedum so anye dum so a eye ka kwanhia anye ka kwanhia eye o haw aden bone ben Ghana for ye to abane mo asibra bedi yeso ni be masa o ha we meto en Ghana ha na ye to abane mo asibra bedi yeso ni sa penesi ne ni esu ni kwadanda ni pa famu no ye mfam bone ben ye ya fumu si ya fumu akache ne mpa ocho wate eno betisi hashi eno betisi hashi eno betisi hashi aden John Bosco sisara wunyi
ye de dawadawa be yanku ama de asra obi so ono ne police ni say dawadawa wo ho dawadawa wo kuro mi nto obetete dawadawa udi bi Paul na ho na udi bi ye utirim kwasia say no ye policy and am say party no because mu nim say mu wini and am say party mama party anuonyam a na ye wo ye kra MPP party anuonyam a en MPP party na anuonyam no ya tutu ni nare because no benya MPP nya ka tro say wa mem sika men koto aba Jesus Christ nyansa ben wom na sabe be ma ben eno wo be pinema na yire e de dawadawa apon na ho abeda na chi dawadawa yi wode to nkwan mu kurete say na wotwe miensa stella na wonsa ho e bon dawadawa chese be bi obedu bia o na sa ha kura mote mango mango no kura e bi be hye bidie na bidie ne ye de bia ye toothpaste na toothpaste ne ye de bia kwa amanone as if said there's no charcoal toothpaste in the system already. Unilever, Pepsodent for don't they have a charcoal? Me bisamu wa mu pesa mu ye mu ho sa Kennedy kan bibia ye hu ye papa ye hu plan bi de say wo party mu be ye bold enya twa ene na face no obi peda na ni so face na mosma kana che o started 2023 na me buy na me beto no first born me say daddy enimu e me yo ho sa aye sa ye so di enim ni na ye be wrego e wa na yi Enkrofafro Felix we like what you are doing but you know Sebio Kennedy is a big man in the party and we have to hold him so even when he says something then so I asked into so can seminars assembly tia party no cry you come because or your senior member na mo man kwanya no come mam kwase showdown Ojiji mo akoma mo kwase showdown etu winning bonus ma sebio onu ankasa ne party parliamentarians on your matna parliament 24 years and over obia kase manye ne de me fan da upe nipa obedi wani ma won fa asem nche na nyankopon no kra wo ye nyankopon no won fa asem nche nyansa na munnim and that is not discipline. Some of you need to shut the fuck up about the guy because of the Kennedy Tiano or bad discipline or no crowd you're indisciplined than anybody in the party. You're pepenia or you're indisciplined in MPP. Kennedy Japan. Because I don't know to me that it's either my way or the highway. Man, family DNA, you be same in the quattro you go same and battle be same. What the hell is wrong with some of you? This man is forming alliances with the same people he wants to go to election with, and you foolishly support that. Are you crazy? What's wrong with some of you? I just can't understand some of you. This so MPP phony bino, I just can't get you. What is going through your minds? Say the dawadawa be young kuama de asra na wudi bi asra utrim no sebe ma hair growth. Nti man be president. Sometimes I don't want to talk about the man. I don't want to talk about anything internal because it gets me boiled up. Because no kurene show when nimpa was what when ya yira obebo abro. What when ya yira obebo abro. Ade. Na sebe party a sebio ye ni na kasa party we be papa ebrutrefo ni nan nim say omo policy so omo dey buy kama like we are do it's still What's going on? You have a constitution that talks about Article 4.5. Actually, 345. And it tells you what it is. And you still pretend like you're a fool. You don't want to listen. You want to act like a tribal bigot. And then you cross Jimmy a woman be in Mutrimiti. Would you be a flag bearer? Why you running mate? Why you vice president? We have got Penny and Yansen with him. And I say, Baumia should go where he come from. Baumia is an outsider. Krasini Jimmy Fo. Krasini Jimmy Fo at Ay3kaKantamanto won't be anyone. Like there's nothing sensible in what you are saying. Mojedi. I will say it here day, night, afternoon, whenever. Kennedy Japan does not want to be president. To me, bidding and sa. When your power be what party in so. And the all use the bo party na bro. Intima we down we be adwuma mo fam kura asem free ho. Mo na Kennedy baby adwuma no. Mo fam kura asem a mo de abetena bro kira dane atete kwa no. Mo fa ntena baby. Because I would say a broochie na nyansa will trim na broochie ko a what try a broochie papa. On can't tell say Trump a be adwuma. True baby adwuma. Mo de dey. A dear pan a Kennedy Japan or there board no so. And since you watch there's a lot Baumia is going to do. He has already showed it. I believe if you are in Ghana or you have a friend in Ghana, they are using some of the policies of Baumia. And somebody you went to election with 2024, you are here coming to talk that. So then I'm like, what about Baumia? Cynthia. Na mo na na bibia yeku ma mo de. Cynthia watwe. Na bibia yeku ma mo de. Mu gumu wani mu ase o. Mu gumu wani mu ase se mu nimu ameka kire mu plane. Mu gumu wani mu ase. Nim guase pa na mu gumu wani mu ase no. Ah, me nua Eric, big up yourself. Ebrochira yeti CCS system. Ebrochira yeti government work ahin we hu. Trudeau adwuma hin we bie. Be catch no